mga parents natin ngayon, ang direction nila or ang meaning ng parenting is simply provision. Parenting is more than provision only. It is supervision and transformation. Your job as a parent is to transform your children into becoming better people in the society. Yung mga parents ngayon, hindi ko man nilalahat, wala nang panahon sa mga anak nila dahil busy sa negosyo. Binibigay na lang yung responsibility nila sa mga yaya at sa mga teachers. But teachers cannot do everything. So ang nagagawa namin mga teachers is simply competency or intellectual development but not really focus on character building. So again, talking of direction, ano bang direction mo as a parent? Your job as a parent is to make your children greater than you are. Now, the greatness of people is not just on the material aspect. The greatness comes from the heart. Remember, parenting is leadership. Talking about the principle of leadership, it says, the attitude and the behavior of your people is precisely the attitude and the behavior that you, as a leader, tolerate. Kung mayroong mga spoiled brat na mga anak, may mga bully sa school, yan ay dahil tinolerate yan ng mga parents sa bahay. Yan ang natutunan nila sa parents nila. Kasi real interaction happens in the family, at home.